In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy GoDaddy domain and email starter bundles. To begin, open the GoDaddy website in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, go to the search bar and type in the domain name you want to buy. This is where you check whether your preferred website name is available, so try to enter it carefully and exactly how you want it to appear online. After that, click the search button to see the results. GoDaddy will then show you whether your domain is available, along with different domain extension options you can choose from. Take a moment to review the choices and select the one you prefer. For example, you may see several versions of the same name with different endings, so choose the option that best fits your brand, business, or personal project. Once you've decided which domain you want, click Add to Cart. Next, you'll be taken to the Cart or Bundle section. This is where GoDaddy may show you additional bundle options, including email starter services and other related products. Go through the available bundle choices carefully and toggle on the ones you want to include with your purchase. If your goal is to get both a domain and an email starter bundle, this is the point where you make sure those options are selected. It's a good idea to look over everything before moving forward so you know exactly what is being added to your order. After selecting your bundle preferences, continue to the next part of the checkout process. Here, you'll be asked to enter your payment method details. Make sure you enter your billing information accurately so the transaction can be processed without any issues. If you're using a card or another payment method, double-check the details before continuing. This helps avoid delays or failed payments during checkout. Once everything is filled in and reviewed, click Ready for Checkout. At this stage, you'll be able to confirm your order and complete the purchase process. Before finalizing, it's always helpful to quickly review the domain you selected, the email starter bundle you added, and the total price, just to make sure everything matches what you intended to buy. And that's it. Once your checkout is complete, your domain and selected email starter bundle will be purchased through GoDaddy. If you found this helpful, you can follow these same steps anytime you want to secure a new domain and add email services at the same time.